Hello everyone, this video demonstrates how you can manage your production using OBS ERP. OBS ERP is a low-code platform on top of which have already been built a number of business process management solutions. These solutions cover a wide range of business processes such as project management, human capital management, payroll, CRM, logistics, accounting, and the topic of this video, manufacturing. The platform is extremely flexible and allows customization of each of its components, including adding and removing fields, custom reports, document templates, built-in functions, and even creation of new modules. These customizations can be done through the web interface without the need to write program code. Now let's look at how OBS ERP helps with the organization of the production process. In order to use the production module of OBS ERP, it is necessary to first enter information about the materials that will be used for the production of products. In this video, we will create a recipe for the production of an electrical circuit board. We will see how the system creates a list of materials needed for production and checks whether the materials are available in the warehouse. If the materials are not in stock, the system invites you to create a purchase order for delivery. Let's enter information about one component of the electrical board. Now let's create the recipe of the circuit board. The recipes can be comprised of materials or other products. Now let's create a manufacturing request. I'll select the product that will be manufactured, the quantity, and create a new batch number. Using the calendar, you can schedule the manufacturing process. The system generates BOM based on the recipe we entered previously. Now, let's verify the recipe and confirm the planning. The process can be customized to suit your manufacturing plant. This is just an example. The system invites you to create a purchase order when there is not enough quantities to complete the manufacturing process. Using this table view, you can easily create a purchase order. You can verify the order and send it out to the supplier over email using the system. You need to create a new delivery when the materials are delivered to the warehouse. In order to increase the quantities in the warehouse, you need to change the status of the warehouse slip using the Articles Accepted button. Now we have the required quantities to complete the manufacturing process. Warehouse slips are generated automatically. Depending on the configuration, materials will be checked out from source warehouses and product will be checked in a destination warehouse. This concludes our demo. If you are interested, you can take a look at the sales process as well. Thank you.